Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings app, scroll down and find the display and brightness option. Once you find it, tap on it. In the display and brightness settings, you will see an appearance section at the top. Here you have two options, light and dark. Tap on the dark option to switch your iPhone to dark mode. And this is how you can turn on dark mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.